Welcome viewers to another video. This video will be how to complete Vsicm Lab13, and this is a simulation in the lab guide. So you go to the, let's see if I can show you the link. Go to this link right here. I'll show it up here on the screen. To complete Lab 13. It's a simulation. It's a very nice one. Make this a little larger. There you are. Okay. That's where we're going to complete this lab. So install VMware Tools is what we're going to do. That's the lab objective. Task 1, mount the VMware Tools. Task 2, we're going to install VMware Tools. Task 3, we verify that VMware Tools is running. So we'll start the simulation. Let me make this full screen again. It's a little easier for you to see. Start the simulation. And the virtual machine details pane shows that VMware Tools is not installed. So click Win1002, and I'm reading at the very bottom of the screen. Click Win1002. And the instructions are along the bottom of the screen. Select Guest OS and then select Install VMware Tools. Click Mount. So the virtual machine details pane shows that VMware Tools installation is in progress. Launch Web Console. We'll click here on the web console, and here's the console of the virtual machine. Click the File Explorer icon on the desktop. In File Explorer, click DVD, the D drive. Click Setup to start the VMware Tools installation. On the Welcome page, click Next. See if I can make this larger. Nope, can't make it larger for you. Leave Typical selected and click Next. Click Install. And VMware Tools installs. It's just about that easy. And it takes a minute or so for it to install. And the installation is complete, so we click Finish. Now click Yes to restart, so it does require rebooting the VM. We're up to Task 2. So we want to verify that VMware Tools is running. Oh, we completed Task 2. We're on Task 3. In this task, we're going to verify that it's running. So you open the Tools icon on the taskbar. So we're going to click the up arrow right here, bottom right. Click the VMware Tools icon. The dialog box shows that VMware Tools is running. It shows in the bottom left, right along the bottom line. Click X to close the dialog box, and you've completed the simulation. Very, very easy. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon.